Hello friends, welcome to Honey Hill channel. So today I am going to unbox Akaso V50X. I bought it through Amazon a couple of days ago, and this is a basic packing and this is a basic instrument, and this is how the packing looks like. And by looking at it, it looks to be pretty decent and quite safe. And this is a bill which has come along with the packing, and you can see that it is good to see the specifications what you have seen on the net and what is received or same. So that is one thing good to see, and this is how the baking packing looks like. And overall, Akaso V50X, and this is touch screen and also 4K 30 fps and 131 feet, and this is also Wi-Fi enabled, and this is Ultra HD native 4K edition. And this has come up with remote splash proof as well, and remote distance is 10 meter 33 feet. And these are some of the specifications. So in which this has got integrated wireless network, and display is 2-inch IPS, and video is 4K 30 fps, 2.7K 30 fps, 1080p 90 fps, and photo resolution is 20 megapixel, 12 megapixel, 10 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 5 megapixel, and the format is JPG. And this is included with remote control, waterproof up to 131 feet. It has with two batteries, 1350 mAh, and it has got multi-language as well. And the storage is micro SDSD card. This is not included, and mounts and accessories are included. And input output is micro USB and HDMI. And I think this is the same stuff in the other side. So now we will just going to unbox to see the basic stuff what is there inside. This is how the basic instrument looks like. Let me take it out from the main mount. And this has come with a nice enclosure. It is a waterproof enclosure, and also it is with the mount. So let me keep it as of now. Then meantime we will see what is other things inside. Then we will come back to the basic instrument. So let me open the box and see what is there inside. Yes, so this is maybe an extra cover. This is I think looks to be, yeah, it is a battery charger, so it can accommodate two batteries. So this is one battery. Yes, I think the another battery also included, as we have seen in the main packing. These are some of the nuts, we can use it for some mounting purpose. And this looks to be mainly the straps, which may be, I think, let me just see what is there. And inside I think looks to be all our straps. Yeah, I think they are all straps only, so maybe for a different application it looks to be. Yeah, this looks to be a handle mounting, so I think it is more suitable for cycle mounting, or maybe I think we can try for motorcycle as well. One more strap. This is some more additional mountings. I think this looks to be maybe for mounting the camera. I think this we can use it. Let me see what is there inside exactly, so that I can able to make out better. And yes, So this can be used for mounting the camera on the car dashboard, as well as this same thing can be used on helmet as well. So this can be used for both the purpose. Today I will try that. And this is again some more mountings. So I think a lot of stuff, I think this has got, we may have to use for different. This is a cable. Another mounting. Yes, I think this is a remote, so which can be used both capturing the snaps as well as operating the video. That's it. I think it doesn't looks to be no. Okay, there is a small description leaf, so which has a barcode, so through which we can see some more detailing on the product. So it's quite simple. Okay, so now let me just keep the important stuffs aside, and then we can go for unboxing the main stuff, that is what the action camera. Let me just take it out. I think the basic the first feel of the gadget looks to be quite appealing. For the cost of around 9900, I think it is compared to the other models, it looks to be quite nice. And here only that SD card, we can put it micro SD card, and also that cable mounting. Mounting some more mm, this is maybe for that movement up and down. So let me say, as we move ahead we can see that. This is a screen guard. I think as of now need not be removed, so it can be for the safety purpose. And this is the on button. So let me just insert the battery, then probably we can see how the resolution and display looks like. Let me just insert the battery, then we can see the display. Nice slot. We can just, it is very simple, we can just insert it, and can see that not so much complicated as of now. Well, we need to insert it full because it has got a small slot inside, and that has to properly fix with the matting slots. So let me try again. Yeah, I think now it's okay. So now just let me switch on the basic display, then let me see how this looks like. Wow, good. So as of now, since I do not have the SD card, I have just ordered it, it is yet to come. Once I received it, then I will take for a road trial on my car, and let me upload the performance in the subsequent thing. But as of now, I'm just trying to see the clarity on the screen, but it looks to be like it is pretty decent. I think we can clearly make out, and it looks to be good. As I take for a road trial, probably we can see in much detail. So once I take for the ride, probably I may able to comment on the on-road performance. So as of now, that's it for now, and thanks for watching.